Hi guys, my name is Chandan Singh. Guys, with a view to helping you in storytelling, I have come up with this program, guys. What I'm supposed to do, I have decided to shoot those things, whatever I have done whole day. Suppose I did something at 7 o'clock in the morning, I did something at 10 o'clock in the morning. So, whatever the activities I completed whole day, so I will start shooting a video in the form of a story so that this video can help you and you can understand how to tell a story, guys. So there may be two stories, there may be three, four stories. It depends on the situations which I came across in a day. If I don't come across any situation, then I will record those common things whichever I did in my room. So now I am going to tell you a story, the situation which I came across. Now listen to me, guys. Around 11 o'clock today, this morning, I was doing something on my desktop and I had connected the charger of the mobile phone to my mobile and it was getting charged. Suddenly my phone started ringing. Then I saw the number. So a name was flashing which was Amazon. Okay. Then I asked my wife that had you placed any order because I'm getting the call from Amazon. She said yeah, she had placed an order. Then I received the call and the delivery boy from Amazon said that I have come to the location, the address which you had given me with the packet which you had ordered. I said okay, I'm coming. Then I said to my wife that I'm going to receive that packet. The thing is that the place where I live, there is no particular address proof. So I had given the address to Amazon of like the nearby shop. So I just went there and I saw here and there the delivery boy was not available. Then I thought that what happened? He just made me a call that I am coming, but he was not available. So I just started walking some steps forward. Then I saw that a biker was coming and there was a huge bag kept on the back seat. Then I understood. I figured out that okay, he must be the person from Amazon. Then I waved my hand. He stopped his bike, and I said that are you from Amazon? He said yeah. Then I said that yeah, I am the person whom you had given a call. Then he asked me the name which was on the packet. I said the name. Then he handed over the packet to me. So you can see this. This is the packet. Amazon. This is the packet. Okay. So this is the thing which my wife had ordered. So I went and I received this packet. I came back to my home and now I am recording this video. So this is the first story, the first situation which I came across today and I have recorded this video for you. Now whatever the situations I come across later, I will record those stories as well, and after that I will upload this video. When you watch this video, then you have to think whatever the situation you come across, just do the same what I am doing. Just take the mobile phone, start video recording and check yourself, check your sentences, guys. Okay, so I can't say bye bye because maybe I come across any new situation, then I will record that video also. So this is all, guys. Thank you. Hi guys, so I came across one more situation. It was around 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I was doing something on my computer. You can always find me doing something on computer or shooting a video. So I was doing something on computer, so my son came to me and he said that daddy, I'm hungry. Then I asked my son that where is your mom? And he said that mom is having a nap. I said okay, don't disturb her. So I went into the kitchen and then I asked him that what should I make for you? He said that I want to go for chocos. So he already had a packet of chocos and he said that you do just one thing, boil some milk. I said okay. Then I opened the fridge and took out one milk packet. After that I poured some milk into the saucepan, turned on the flame and started boiling the milk. After that I poured some milk into the bowl. Then I asked him for that chocos packet. He gave me the chocos packet. Then I put all those chocos into that bowl which was full of milk and I gave to my son, but he said it's hot. Then I said that what should I do now? He said that cool it down. Then I took another big pot. I put some water into that pot and put the bowl in which there was chocos and milk into that big pot, and after some times it was cooled down. It was in that condition so that he could eat properly. So this is what I did, guys. It was another situation I'm going to tell you. He's still eating. So So this is what I made. Chocos. Can you see this? Chocos milk. So it was the second situation. Now I am still waiting. If I come across any other situation, I will again shoot a video. And after completion of all those things, after putting all those stories in one video, I will upload this video, guys. Thank you, guys. Stay connected. Hi guys, so I came across the third situation. The third situation is I have to go to market and buy a lot of things. So this situation has not turned into a story. So before I narrate a story, I thought that I must make a video while I'm going to buy those things. So the plan is here, means I have to do something. It has not turned into a story because it has not been performed yet. So it is a kind of future to me, but I am going to do the same. So I will show you every activity, whatever I am going to do, and after that I will narrate those activities to you as a story. So this is what you have to do also. Whatever the activities you do whole day, you just have to narrate someone or to yourself as a story. So I am going to market. So while buying the things, I'll be shooting the video and talking to you. Thank you guys. Stay connected. So guys, I have come to a particular shop, and from here I have to buy some pav packets, pav for pav bhaji. So here you can see, so I have purchased this pav packet. Okay. So now see, whatever I am doing, I am just showing you the video, and after that I will narrate you a story whatever I did. So I have purchased this pav packet. Let me see the expiry date first. 25th page 2021. Okay, it's okay, it's not expired. It's not expired. Okay. So and now I have to buy some cottage cheese. Cottage cheese. 250 gram paneer. Hai paneer? Okay. After this, I have to buy some vegetables. So let me buy the stuffs, then I'll shoot some footages again while buying the vegetables. So now guys, I'm taking 1 kg potatoes from here. 1 kilo करना भैया जरा? हाँ भैया. सही से डालो भाई. ये बहुत मस्त आलू है. 25 का 1 किलो भैया. So guys, I have taken 1 kg potatoes and 1 kg onions from here. Is the shopkeeper, and now I am going back to my home, guys. So guys, now I have come back to my home, and I have already shown you whatever activities I did in the market. So now if I have to tell a story, okay, if you have not seen whatever the activities were done in the market, so you just have to listen to my story. But here in this video, I showed you as well all the activities, so that those things will be in your mind. So now how will I narrate this story? It will be started like this. Like in the evening, I was in my room. Suddenly my wife came to me and she asked me to go to market to buy some stuffs. I said okay. After that I went to market and I went to a shop to purchase some pav packets. After that I purchased some cottage cheese and a bread packet. And after paying the amount, I went to the vegetable shop, and from there I bought 1 kg potatoes and 1 kg onions, and after that I came back to my home. So this is how I narrated this story. So this is all about this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay connected and keep practicing. Thank you, guys.